What I wish I knew before my first pitch deck. Font size matters more than you think. Choosing the right font size can make or break your pitch. Too small, and your audience will squint. Too big, and it looks unprofessional. So, what's the sweet spot? Aim for 30 to 36 points for titles. This grabs attention without overwhelming. For body text, stick to 20 to 24 points. Easy to read, even from the back of the room. Remember, clarity is key. And stay consistent. Use the same font size throughout each section. Quick tip: test your slides on a projector or big screen before the big day. Make sure everything looks crisp and clear. So, next time you're tweaking your pitch deck, remember, size does matter. Keep it readable, keep it professional. Got any other presentation tips? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more startup wisdom.
Click on the link below. Download your pitch deck template pack.